Tejasri Kosbe, lecturer from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Bhayandar. Today's topic is Measuring Instrument Part 5, Learning Outcomes. In this video, you will learn about multimeter and LCR meter. This is the multimeter diagram. In this, you can see there are DC alternator, AC alternator, AC converter, ohms converter, digital display, A to D converter, BCD output, interface and precision reference. So AC alternator is used to measure AC quantities and DC alternator is used to measure DC quantities. Ohm converters are used to measure the resistance. The digital multimeter can measure DC current and voltage, AC current and voltage. It also measures resistance. The input current is passed through a shunt. A voltage drop takes place. The voltage drop is proportional to input signal V or I. If AC quantities are to be measured, AC alternator and AC to DC converter circuit is used. This converter AC value to DC value. Attenuator consists of ladder of high wattage resistance. All the values of DC are converted to digital form by using analog to digital converter. The display unit is interfaced with A to D converter. Display unit displays the respective quantity under measurement. Next is applications of multimeter. First one is measurement of voltage, second measurement of current, third measurement of resistance, fourth checking continuity of a circuit, fifth is diode testing, sixth is transistor testing, seventh in some cases temperature can be measured, and eighth application is for troubleshooting of electronic circuit. So this is the actual image of digital multimeter. In that you can see there is a selector switch to select proper scale of the reading, and there is a digital display, continuity beeper, resistance, AC voltage, DC voltage, current terminal, ground terminal, voltage frequency resistance terminal, frequency and AC current different range. Next is LCR meter. LCR meters can be understood as a multimeter. This is because it can measure resistance, inductance, capacitance as per the requirement. Thus it is termed as LCR meter. L in its name signifies inductance, C stands for capacitance and R denotes resistance. The significant component of LCR meter is the Wheatstone bridge and RC ratio arm circuits. The component whose value is to be measured is connected in one of the arms of the bridge. There are different provisions for the different type of measurements. So this is the block diagram of LCR meter. This is another diagram of LCR meter. Next is working of LCR meter. The bridge is adjusted in null position in order to balance it completely. Besides, the sensitivity of the meter should also be adjusted along with balancing of the bridge. The output from the bridge is fed to emitter follower circuit. The output from emitter follower circuit is given as an input to detector amplifier. The significance of detector amplifier can be understood by the fact that if the measuring signal is low in magnitude, it will not be able to move the indicator of PMMC meter. Thus, in order to achieve the sustainable indication, we need to have a high magnitude measuring signal. But it is often observed that while dealing with the measurement process, the magnitude of the measuring signal falls down due to attenuation factor. The problem to this solution is to utilize an amplifier. The rectifier is used in the circuit to convert the AC signal into DC signal When the bridge is provided with AC excitation, then at the output end of the bridge, the AC signal needs transformation into DC signal. This is the actual image of LCR meter.